Hello students. So today in last lecture we have discussed about the projection of point today and also discussed about some simple problems with a single point, plotting of all the single points in different position in space. Today I am taking a problem of projection of point in which in the same problem the 2 points will be given. As you remember earlier in geometry, the first geometrical figure that we have plotted will be a point. Then when we have multiple points and if we join those 2 points by the shortest path, then we will get the straight line. So that may be the beginning of our new chapter, that will be projection of a straight line. But right now this will be a problem on projection of point. Look at the problem. They will say that a point P is 15 millimeter above the HP and 20 millimeter in front of the VP. Another point Q is 25 millimeter behind the VP and 40 mm below the HP. Draw the projections of P and Q keeping the distance between their end projectors. The distance between the end projector means the line joining the front view and the top view of the point P and point Q. That will be measured along the XY line, that is known as the distance between the projector. Then finally they are saying that draw a straight line joining their front view and top view. So we will begin with the point 1. That is 15 mm above HP. As you know that whenever a point will be 15 mm above HP, its front view will be 15 mm above the reference line. So initially what we will do, we will draw our reference line. Then the first point, that is 15 mm above HP. So that is 15 mm above XY will be the point P dash. Then that point will be 20 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm in front of VP means 20 mm below will be the point small p. So firstly we have plotted the point P. This is 15 mm and this is 20 mm. After that, as they told us that the distance between the end projector will be 90 mm, so from this point I will shift 90 mm towards right, and after 90 mm we will get the projector of the other point. And the second point will be, as they are saying, that the point PQ will be 25 mm behind the VP. Behind the VP means above the reference line will be the top view. So that will be small q. So this will be small q and 40 mm below HP. So 40 mm below HP the point Q dash. So this way we will mark these points. This is 25 and this will be 40. So this way we have plotted all both the points P and Q. Now we want to join the front view with the front view and top view with the top view. So with the help of a straight line you can easily join these two like this. So this is the projection. So now this is the projection of a straight line PQ, whose front view will be P dash, small p dash, small q dash, and top view will be small pq. So in this problem we are having 2 points and we have plotted both the points and then joined their top view and the front view by the straight line, and that is the way to draw the projection of a straight line. Till now we have just learned about the projection of point, but with the help of 2 points we have already drawn a straight line. I am taking another problem on projection of point. The problem will be like this: 2 points A and B, 2 points A and B are in the HP. The point A is 30 mm in front of VP, while the point B is behind the VP. The distance between their projectors is 75 mm, and the line joining their top view and the line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 degree with XY line. Find the distance of the point B from the VP. Find the distance of the point B from. So now look at the problem. The problem will be the 2 points A and B both are in the HP, and the point A will be 30 mm in front of the VP, while the point is behind VP. That point is behind VP, but how much behind, that is not given to me. And the distance between the end projector will be given, that is 75 mm. And finally they say that the line joining the top view of A and B, that is small AB, makes an angle of 45 with the reference line. So we have to draw the projection. So we will start again. As you know that the first point A will be completely given to me, so I will start with the point A. And normally whenever 2 points will be given, then we should start with the point that will be completely given, or maybe alphabetically. Sometimes the point A will be the first alphabet, so we will start with A point. So again I will draw a reference line, XY line. Then on this XY I will plot the first point. As you remember in the problem, they are saying that the point A and B will be on the HP. So A in the HP means small a dash will be on the XY line, and it is 30 mm in front of VP. So 30 mm in front of VP, so means small a will be 30 mm below the XY line. Now they are saying that the distance between the end projector of the 2 points will be 75 mm. So if I shift 75 from this, then I will get the point B dash. As already we know that the point B is also on the HP. So I have plotted the point B dash, that is the front view of point is capital B. So this is 75 mm. Now the point B will be behind the VP. Behind VP, it means I know that its top view must be above the reference line. So I have drawn this projector, and I know that on this projector I am going to get finally the point B. Then another thing they have told us that the top view of the 2 points will make, and the line joining the top view makes an angle of 45 degree with the XY line. So now I will draw a line from A inclined 45 degree to the reference line, and that is going to cut the upside line, and this point will be our point small b. Now I will darken this AB also, and we have to find this distance. Just check this distance, and this distance will come 45 mm exactly. And if you check from the trigonometry also, then that will be 45, as this will be 45 degree angle, so this is 30, so this will be 30, remaining will be 45, so upside will be 45. So these are the two basic problems. So these are the two basic problems on projection of a straight line. Actually the problems are projection of point, and by plotting 2 points we will get the two straight line problems. In the first line, that will be PQ, and the second line will be AB. I hope you understand these two problems. Try them in your notebook. One more thing, as you see that this time I am using colored chalks. Actually colored chalk, whenever I am using colored chalk, actually that will be another object, that is a straight line. So we will darken. As you are using this single color pencil, that is a black. So normally draw these projectors a light line, as you know that projectors are imaginary lines, and these straight lines will be darkened by using HB or H pencil. Thank you very much.